Hi, I'm Sam from Oval Electrical Services. This customer contacted us as they needed a charge point for their new hybrid car. We recommended Zappi because of its energy management benefits, allowing the customer to charge the car from their solar system, cutting the costs of running their new vehicle. The first charge mode on the Zappi is fast. This charge mode supplies your car with the most power it can to charge it up in the quickest time. The next charge mode is Eco mode. This allows you to charge up your car with surplus solar power topped up from power from the grid. This means that your car is charging using the free electricity that your solar system is producing, whilst at the same time topping it up with power from the grid, which results in a good rate of charge. The last charge mode is the greenest one. This is Eco Plus. This means that your car will only ever charge up from your surplus solar power, which means if there's no surplus power, your car won't charge. If there is surplus power, it'll send whatever it can to the car. I hope you enjoyed watching our video on our latest Zappi install. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch.